Hello everyone. This is going to be a quick one, but in this video I'll show you how to fix the audio crackling on VMware, because it usually has such issues. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this GitHub link. I'll post it in the description box below the video. This one. You have to download the zip file vmAudioBackHost. And you have this exe. You have to run it as administrator. Now we go to VMware. We open the virtual machine and we click start. To make sure we can click it twice, I don't care. It doesn't make a difference. But now let's just wait for the VM to load. Now we can also close the configurator if we want to. As you can see, it's smooth. It doesn't have any issues. Yeah, it's just going to take a while to boot up, but that doesn't matter. It's just because I have half a gigabyte of RAM on this specific VM. But yeah, if we go to music, it's also smooth. It's quite easy to fix, though it isn't a permanent fix, so it means that if you reboot the VM, you have to reapply the same patch again. That was all I had to show in this video, and I hope that it helped you, and see you next time.